Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to customize email content in BoldSign. This feature makes every eSignature request and notification feel personal, professional, and perfectly aligned with your brand. Default email templates often fall short when it comes to branding and personalization. Users face limited control over email content and tone, leading to inconsistent branding across communications. It's difficult to add custom instructions for signers, and there's a lack of flexibility for different workflows. As a result, these limitations reduce engagement and create a less professional experience for recipients. BoldSign's email content customization feature enables full customization of email content for signature requests, reminders, and completion notifications. This eliminates reliance on rigid default templates and prevents missed branding opportunities. You can add your company logo, colors, and brand tone, personalize subject lines and body text, include signer-specific instructions or legal disclaimers, and customize emails for different stages: request, reminder, and completion. Ultimately, this ensures every email reflects your brand and provides clear, tailored communication to recipients. First, log into your BoldSign account and go to the Settings menu, select Branding. Here, if you don't have a brand, you can create one and customize the email content. In this example, I have already created a brand, so I just need to edit it. To do this, locate the brand, click the Context menu, and select Edit Brand. On the Edit Brand page, move to the Email Content Customization tab. Here, a list of email templates that can be customized is displayed. You can choose to edit an email template based on your needs. Let's say I need to update the signature request email template to include the creation date for the signature request. To do this, start with the signature request email template. Locate the template, hover over it, and click the edit icon. On this page, you can edit the email sent to different recipient roles. From the Recipient Type drop-down, select the recipient role whose email content you want to modify. In the language settings, you can specify the language in which the email content will be translated before being sent to the recipient. You can also edit both the subject and body based on your needs. In this example, I want to include the document creation date in all signature request emails sent to recipients. From the recipient type, select Signer and navigate to the email body section. Here, update the content to include the creation date in the required section. To insert the creation date placeholder, type / or @. This will display a list of all available placeholders for this email template. Choose the document created date placeholder. Once done, you can preview the email in both desktop and mobile views to see how it will look. Then click Save to apply the changes. Repeat the same procedure to edit the email body for other recipient types, so they also include the document creation date. Once this template is approved, the document creation date will be included in all signature request emails. Now, move to the Email Content Customization tab. Here, the status of the signature request will be updated to edited, not submitted, and the last modified date will be displayed. The signature request has been edited, and now need approval and updates by BoldSign engineers before use. To seek approval, click the Submit for Approval button. A dialog box opens with instructions stating that after submitting the approval request, you are not allowed to edit any other email templates until the approval process is complete. Confirm by clicking Submit. The templates then move to pending approval status. If further changes are needed after submission, or if the BoldSign team requests modifications, withdraw the current approval request by clicking Withdraw Approval Request and confirming. This allows you to make the required changes and submit again for approval. The BoldSign team reviews the submitted templates. Once approved, the status updates to approved, displayed in the Email Customization tab for each template. A notification regarding the approval decision is sent via a support ticket. For more information, I've included the knowledge base article in the video description. In BoldSign, if you have multiple brands or created another brand, settings can be inherited from one brand to another to maintain consistency across the organization. Only brands with approved templates appear in the inheritance dropdown. Any changes to inherited templates must be made in the parent brand and submitted for approval. If a parent brand is deleted, the associated brand reverts to default email templates for all communications. That's how easy it is to customize email content in BoldSign. This feature helps you deliver personal, on-brand emails. Provide clear instructions tailored to each recipient role, and maintain consistency across requests, reminders, and notifications. Log in now and customize your templates to elevate every signing experience. If you found this tutorial useful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.